Hello, everybody. Welcome to 2024. It is the first official stream for the IBC gang for myself in 2024. Super excited, guys. Had a great afternoon. Should I say not afternoon? Had a whole great, I guess, time because they all seem to have bled together yesterday, last night, this morning, whatever it may be. Hopefully, you guys did as well. Hopefully, you guys had a safe, great celebration of the New Year's. I spent it with my family down in Nashville at our condo. We went to go see the whole music note drop in Nashville. That's what we do. We don't do a ball note. We do a music note drop. We went out there. We braved the cold. We braved the insanity. The boys even went out with us, guys. We had an absolutely great time. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. Uh, I didn't last all the way to midnight. I actually fell asleep right before. So shame on me. But my wife and my oldest son stayed up, and they said they got to see the fireworks or whatnot. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Nonetheless, with that, again, I hope you guys also had a great time. Before we get into everything, guys, I got to give a humongous channel sponsor shout out to Kajira.network, guys. They are our channel sponsor here. We absolutely love what's happening on Kajira. I suggest that you guys definitely go check them out. I've been saying it for quite some time. Kajira just ripping people's faces off when it comes to building and providing quality options within the crypto landscape. It is the blockchain for everyone, as you guys can see here. Is the Kajira is for everyone. It's empowering decentralized economy for all. Is the place for people that are looking for sustainable fintech within the space to come and enjoy, guys. I really would appreciate, and I know they would as well, if you guys go and check them out, drop them a follow on their socials. It would definitely go a long way in doing so, and I think you'd be doing yourself a favor by you also doing so. The next channel sponsor shout out that I want to give a humongous appreciative thank you to is Jacko Protocol. If you guys don't know about Jacko Protocol, they are decentralized storage within the crypto landscape. Within, now I hate saying within the crypto landscape, within the space, because it's going to be much more than just the crypto landscape, guys. I think it has one of the best products within the space as far as sellability. I think it has one of the best products as far as use. In our guys, I want to say it again, in our space, but not just in our space. Guys, I like backing my information, the things that I'm building, the products and services that I put out there on first and foremost, obviously a in-house like physical storage unit, because I have many SSDs and whatnot that I kind of like back up all of my content with, or my NFT projects or anything that I'm doing, right? Like businesses that I have to back everything up with. I like to do that, obviously, but another great way to really secure what you're doing and to really make sure that you have all your bases checked is by also having a decentralized cloud-based storage that you guys can utilize within your endeavors. And Jacko Protocol helps you facilitate that. So, guys, again, I really think Jacko Protocol has a really great product. I really like their services. I've been already doing it myself with my NFT project and some of the content that I've been putting out there. Their price action has been absolutely killing it. But with all of that being said, none of it's financial advice. I just really like Jacko Protocol, and that's why we partnered up and they support the channel. Guys, check out jackoprotocol.com. You will be happy that you do. You'll be happy that you do. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the chat. What's up, Norwal? What's up, man? This motherfucker's 3 shades of gray. Shut up, dude. Well, you talk about my gray hairs. You talk about my gray hairs. I got plenty of them. Man. I hope your New Year's, the fresh 2024 is doing well, man. I hope it's going great for you. I hope you really enjoyed celebrating it, man. If you did celebrate it, appreciate you being here, guys. If you guys are here watching the live stream, and even after the fact, if you guys would do me the cringy thing, being supportive, like the video, retweet it, let the people know that we're out there doing our thing, guys. It really goes a long way. It's hard out there, I'm not gonna lie, and I don't do that enough. I don't ask for the support, but one of the ways that you guys can do that is quite simply just pressing a button, just liking the video, retweeting it, and sharing it with people that you guys might know. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider doing so as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, definitely goes a long way with the algorithms. Gosh, I'm still struggling from last night myself, apparently. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump on into things, guys. Let's go ahead and jump on into things and see what's happening with the markets, because that's what you guys came here for. That's what you guys came here for. Let's go ahead and take a look at the crypto market. Right now, the crypto market not doing all too bad. 2024 off to a good start, right? Total is up 2.9%. Total 2 is up 2.69%. Total 3 is 2.75. Now, if you guys don't know, excuse me, what the totals are and what I'm talking about here, total is everything. Like what I'm looking at right now is everything in crypto. That's every Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, everything in crypto. That's the total market cap, right? Total 2 is everything excluding Bitcoin, and everything excluding Bitcoin right now is up 2.69%. And total 3 is everything excluding Bitcoin and ETH. So just so you guys don't know, if anybody ever goes to that and you're like, what the heck is total 1, 2, 3? What the hell is he talking about? That's what we're talking about right there, guys. But overall, all of them are doing absolutely great. You can just see that with the snapshot of the total market cap doing really, really well right now. Sometimes, though, that is just because Bitcoin's doing well or ETH's doing well. But nonetheless, everything right now obviously doing really, really well. And that's what's happening within the crypto landscape at a snapshot glance. Right now, Bitcoin is up 3.18%, 43,625. Guys, we were telling you guys before, if you guys didn't know, excuse me, I'm still fighting whatever is going on, guys. If you guys, have you guys been sick lately? Have you guys been sick lately with some kind of like viral thing? You just can't, it's not the flu, it's not corona, it's not all that other stuff. It's just like, it's still there. It's still there. Anyway, it's getting annoying. It's getting annoying. Bitcoin, like we were telling you guys over the past couple of days, like leading up to the end of the year, right? Needed to stay above 42. There was a lot of options, and like I keep trying to tell people in the markets, if you guys don't know, especially at the end of the year, but there was a lot of options expiring on Friday, and so the volatility was coming in. Option traders were doing what they needed to do, whether they're bearish or bullish. They're doing what they needed to do to fill their positions in the markets, and really there was more positive possibilities over the past expiry when it comes to options than there was bearish. But the bears needed to push if they had any kind of hope into salvaging their positions, needed to push the price action below 42, and they weren't actually able to do that. And so now we're seeing really good price action come back to the Bitcoin price, and we're seeing it back up again, like 3.29% today. So really, really good looking price action right now. Really happy to see what's happening in the markets. We have a pretty much fresh new options landscape when it comes to options, because obviously we've started the new year. If you guys don't know, options, you can do daily stuff. You can do weekly, you can do monthly, you can do quarterly, and then you can do annually, right? I'm dying. I swear. Ooh, can't wait for this stuff to get better. But yeah, so now we're pretty much fresh. Actually, let's go take a look. Can we take a look real quick? What does the futures and options look like? Hold on one second. Let's see if we can take a look at this real quick. Options. Here we go. Options here. Here we go. Let's take a look at the options. We're going to go take a look at CoinGlass. I like using CoinGlass, guys. If you guys don't use CoinGlass, you guys definitely should. But this is CoinGlass. Let me see here. You can see the options open interest call versus puts. Calls are up 68.11 versus puts. The volume over the 24 hours, obviously up. It's the first 24 hours of the new year. So I don't think we need to go any more further than that. But looking really, really well, right? A lot of people super, super bullish. A lot of people anticipating bullish price action for Bitcoin, the rest of the crypto markets. And it's probably because we have, let me go back to the charts here. I'm sorry for all the sniffling, some ASMR for you guys there, some sniffles. Probably because we have the halving coming up soon, right? Like we have the halving right on our tails. And it's probably more than likely going to be treating us really, really well. What happened to my charts here? Hold on. Excuse you me. What had happened where? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Let me zoom out for you. This is the charts here. This is the halvings. Boom, boom, boom. The previous cycles, right? We have our appreciation or bull market. We have our bear market or depreciation phase, and then we have our anticipation phase or anticipation phase. Excuse me. Again, allergies are getting to me. Right now, again, we are in that part of the markets. We're in our anticipation phase within the markets here, and we only have a few months before we lead on into it, guys. Excuse me. Here you can see that I was playing around with some fib lines. Take a look at the boxes though. Don't take a look at the fibs or anything like that. I don't want to erase it because it's going to throw me off. But as you can see here, we're not too far away from the next halving, which is in April. A lot of people like front running the price action because if you go back and look at it, if you guys are new to crypto and Bitcoin and all this other stuff, so far until it's not, right? So far until it's not, if you were in the anticipation phase before the halving, you really front ran the bull market and we're in a really good position to see some potential gains going forward for your investments. Now, again, not my opinion, it's the opinion of the charts, and a lot of people are feeling the same way. You can see the anticipation phase here. No matter where you got in this phase, you front ran, even through the downturns, you front ran the vast majority of the positive price action for Bitcoin. And again, a lot of people just anticipating things to not necessarily repeat themselves, but rhyme with this next halving coming up. So again, I want to say it's not financial advice. This isn't a promise or anything like that. We're not promised anything in this market or in anything, to be very honest with you. So please, not financial advice. But I think that's what a lot of people are obviously doing right now. They're just front running, not just the Bitcoin ETF, not front running all the other bullish sentiments and narratives that are out there, but they're just ultimately front running the halving. And the halving is the gold standard when it comes to crypto. No matter what is happening right now, you can always go back and just really kind of fall back to the halving is going to bring positive price action more than likely, especially for Bitcoin. So that's what's happening right now at a snapshot. I don't want to take too much time today and like talk about things that are just basically obvious, but that's what's happening right now. Guys, if you guys are just coming into the stream, please do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe. It goes a long, long way. I would really appreciate it. With that being said, let's go ahead and move on from Bitcoin to the rest of the crypto market. Excuse me. I'm dying. And by the way, if you guys want me to cover something, just put it in the chat and I'll try to cover it. Let's go to Crow. Crow up 1.44%. It still needs to get above 16 cents for me. I'm just going to be honest, guys. We're on the weekly time frame. We're using Market Safer as our favorite oscillator indicator tool of choice. Still needs to get above 16 cents for me. I'm going to quickly roll through things too. I'm not going to spend too much time. I'm just going to give you guys my obvious like interpretations and where I'm like interested on the charts. It needs to get above 16 cents for me to say anything in any kind of like particular way when it comes to the Crow token price point. We already went over Bitcoin. Dot. What is going on with that? Someone tell me what's going on with that. Do any of you guys know while I take a sip of water? Player 456, man. I appreciate you. Happy New Year's to you, man. If you guys drink a lot, don't forget agua is your friend. Water up. Stay hydrated. Excuse me. Yeah, what's going on with DOT? It's up 5.1% right now, and it's been doing really, really well. Does nobody know? Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. I'm just going to leave it at that because I don't know much. But if you do know, let me know. Yeah, definitely Hydro, my friends. Definitely Hydro for sure. Lido, GRT. Everybody's been telling me about the graph. And that used to, you know what, honestly, I think the graph was like one of my first buys, like along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think the graph, like back in the day, was like one of, you're talking about GRT, like the graph. Do I have the graph still on here? Hold on. I should play some music, by the way, while I do. Hold on. Let me see if I can find you guys some music. I always feel bad because there's like no music in the background here. Chill. Lo-fi. Let me see here. I'm going to try to play music. Hopefully it's not crazy for you guys. You guys see that? This is low. All right. So let me see. Yeah, I do have the graph. The graph is down actually 2.03. Now, again, the graph is super, super interesting because there's going to be, oof, oof, oof. Man, that chart. Oof. Hold on. Oh, wait, I just took the chart off. Just look at this. Oof. But if you're ever going to buy anything that has potential to come back up, that's what you want to buy, right? An ugly chart like this. I'm not going to lie. The price action looks freaking horrible right now. But when should you be interested? When things look the worst, right? Not financial. It's just letting you know. Yeah, the graph right now, I don't know, man. Let's go over traditional. I don't know what's happening fundamentally for the graph or whatnot. So let's just go over what's happening on Market Cipher real quickly. Now, on the daily time frame, we do show, let me see here. We do show both RSIs obviously rounding back downwards. We have negative price action being represented here with the momentum waves, right? You can see this also with the bar. Long-term negative price action, not a lot of buying support coming in on the graph. And you can see obviously on the daily time frame that the trend has still been downwards and it needs to get above the 200 S. It needs to get above a lot of stuff. So I'm staying away from the graph right now. What do you like about the graph? Why do you ask? Yeah, this are like, hold on. Is there another one? Hold on. GRT, right? Oh no, it's different. Okay, we're talking about two different tokens. GRT, yeah, this is, oh my God. It's up 15.74%. I wonder what. Okay, now I'm curious. Now, okay, wait, hold on. Now I'm curious. What is this? What the hell was I looking at before? That was the graph, right? Yeah, hold on. Come down with me, homie. Come with me, homie. GRT. We need to do something about like repetitive tickers. Is this the same? I don't understand. Let's go over some TA though. Let's just go over technical analysis. Nothing fundamentally because I have absolutely no idea. Oh, this is interesting though. The stream is grainy. Is it really? Apologies, my friends. Is it, guys? Let me know in the chat. Is it like that for everybody else? Try refreshing, or are you watching it in like a lower resolution or something? So this is super interesting. If you look at this right here, right, you can see that the price action right now is retesting basically previous support here, which if you go forward on things, right, like obvious previous support and or resistance usually does hold up as support or resistance going forward. And right now, more likely than not, unless things like cut through things like a hot knife and butter, right? More likely than not, because this was treated as support so many times in the past. 1, 2, actually resistance right here, 3, 4. Like it's probably going to be some point of or some sort of significant resistance. I would assume for at least a little while. You know, while price action kind of figure out what it wants to do. It might cut through it though, because with everything else that's happening for Bitcoin and the crypto markets, like it might just catch momentum. But like maybe you're one of those, you don't want to catch a breakout trade, or like you want to test resistance. I would kind of wait. Like it's probably going to pull back a little bit. And if it does pull back, I would think it's probably just going to pull back to average previous support and or resistance in the past. And that's super easy to see right here. If you just go to the lows right here, look how previous resistance, or I'm sorry, previous support, right? Support and or resistance. That's probably where it'll probably find some support if it does, right? Like, so we can zoom in. If it gets rejected off here, it'll probably ping pong between this range. That's what I'm thinking. So 147 as support. If it does falter, if it cuts through it, like who knows? Thanks, Mark. Is it grainy for anybody else? Please just let me know. This is super interesting. Excuse me. You said Lido. I thought I had Lido. LDO. Yeah. Here we go. Man. LDO, Lido, is in this position right now where, again, you're basically buying all-time highs almost. Like it's up 9%. Like, to me, I don't buy Greek candles. So that's just me, though. I don't know if like this music's giving me a damn panic attack, but I got to change this music. This music sucks. Minimal house. What is this? Is this better? I feel like that music before was kind of like giving me a damn panic attack. It's like expecting me to chill out, and I don't want to chill out. All right, let's go take a look at some other things real quick. I don't know. So like Lido though, like you're again, previous resistance, if it does come back down, like it's pretty easy. It's pretty, like when you zoom out on stuff, guys, TA is super easy. TA is just a lagging like response to what's happening out there fundamentally. Does the XRP chart look bullish to you? Let me take a look at it. LDO though, if it comes back down to like 205, maybe. Thought I had XRP on here. I do. I mean, it has like gradual higher lows, but hold on. I'm just guys, if I'm like not talking, I apologize. I'm just like looking at this chart, trying to soak it in. Yeah. So like basically where we are right now, it's obvious again, like previous rejection points, average support. A lot of these charts are really interesting right now. Did you already get in cash still? Or is it something like you want to get into? Because that makes it like, the discussion totally different. Sorry guys. That's like horrible with my allergies right now. I'm trying to decide which way it'll break out. Mm. I will say, okay. So it had this on the anchor waves, right? It had this touch, that touch confirmed it. We broke through here. It's still above it right now, but let's go to 4 hour. 4 hours negative money flow. RSIs haven't crossed the 60. 24-minute. Looks like it. I wouldn't do it right now. That's just me though. I can't, and then I can't buy green candles. I don't buy other people's pumps. All good, man. All good. Anything else, guys? Let's go take a look at some Solana. 24-minute Solana. Wow. How many of you guys caught Solana? Fusin. We can definitely do that. Hold on. That means I gotta get into the Kujira. Right now we're on Fin, guys, on the Kujira platform. Fin. This is their order book. Definitely check them out. Shout outs to the Kujira family. 15.73%. Jeez, Jesus. Oof. Look at that wick. Holy shit. Hold on 1 second, guys. I think my family came home. 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I'm just going to mute my mic. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry, fam. Let's see here. Let's take a look at Fusion. So what's your question? Do you think it's gonna go higher or break lower? What's your question? I mean, obviously, I could just answer. You know what? I could just assume everybody's asking me that same thing. Didn't know if you saw the news regarding the OTC option. I did see that. I saw Dove said it. I was like, what? Dude, I did. I thought I was drunk still. I was like, bro. Guys, don't fade Kujiro. You're saving fiat for when Namek goes live. Have you been compounding your Nam? So that's the 1 hour. I'm gonna file. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for. I don't know though. You might miss it. I would expect previous resistance probably to hold up again, and you can see it right here, right? That's the great thing about Finn right now, guys. So like 80 cents. Yeah, look at all this sell wall right here. Not a lot, but all the way up to 80 cents. 88 cents is an okay chunk. Not that much. It's like $4,000. I don't know, man. Man, I kind of want to get some more fusion. Romer says, good morning. I own a coin. Could you help me, please? It's called Newt. Does it go to the moon or is it over for my kids' college? I think it's over. I always assume it's over. I'm just joking. Hey, Happy New Year, man. Dude, you and Wabi were fucking cracking me up yesterday. Or the other day before that. I don't know. I would for me personally, if you didn't have Fusion, I would wait. Not that you're gonna get it, but I would wait for like an entry right on this trend line, which is right around 70 cents. It's on Finn. No, it's not. Get the fuck out of here. No, it's not. No, I'm not even gonna check. Fuck you. I'm not even gonna check. You're trolling me. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Happy New Year, bro. We're away at the moment, so we're only around sporadic. Gotcha. No, it's not, dude. Don't lie. No, it's not. No, it's not. It is. I'm dying. No, oh my god. NWT? Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, it's up 28. It's up 28.24%. Look around the emo. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna take a look. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Look at them. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't take you guys anywhere. I can't take you guys anywhere. Oh my god. I'm dying. I'm dying. This is hilarious. You guys are freaking hilarious. In this case, your children are going to make it. Period. Period. This is freaking hilarious. Wait. So we got, this is a great thing about Newt right here. So I love how, look at this. This is the funniest thing in the world right here. So the order book goes all the way up to $1, right? Sell. So not a lot. And then only when it gets to $10. Chads. You gotta love it. favorite that right there. Check out the incentives. Hold on. Man, I got some crazy fucking. Is it on? It was Bow. Hold on. What's up, people's buddy? Oh my god, you freaking Rob. Hold on. This is getting better and better. You guys see this? Newt USK. The total liquidity though is 63,000. 75% combined APR. Hold on. It's days like today that make me feel like I don't know absolute squat. Like it really is. It's days like today. And I'm not saying anything negative at all. I promise to God I'm not. But it's days like today that make me realize that I don't know shit. Like a lot of times you can just throw things out of the window and it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even have to make sense. It doesn't have to. Like I think people think themselves into a corner. I'm not going to say any names, but you guys probably know this. Like certain blockchains and certain teams have done this before. But like oh my God. Oh my God. I quit. Everything is going to Newt. Everything's going to Newt. What the frick do I know? I love it. I'm dying over here, guys. I think I do have to call it though, because my kids want me to go do some stuff. But real quick, let's go over some stuff real fast. Just needed to stream. I had to stream. Solana up 6.78. It's at 108. Ethereum 2.73% up on the day. It's going to try to get to 2,400. I think it more than likely does that. Atom above $11 again, up 5%. Take profits. Well, profits are there. I do think Atom's going to run into some sell pressure right here at like 1140. Just want to see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. See how we were in this trend here? This is the daily time frame. And now we got to get above it. Just expect it. Kujira up 2.34%, $4.17. Stars up almost 5. That's what I got. I really wish you guys the best of the New Year's. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I got to get out of here. Peace. I love the guys. Check out Newt on Kujira. No excuses now. No excuses. Damn it, Rama. Check out Newt on Kujira. Not financial advice.